Hey guys, so welcome back to yet another video. In this video, we'll be trying to solve the problem of the day of 8th Jan, that is merge two sorted linked lists in reverse order. Okay, given two linked lists of size n and m, which are sorted in non-decreasing order, the task is to merge them in such a way that the resulting list is in non-increasing order. So basically, they will give you two random linked lists which are in ascending order. Okay, you have to join both of them in such a way that your resulting linked list should be in descending order. Okay, so let's be explaining that real quick. So over here, say for example, your list one. Okay, say for example, your linked list one. Let's say for example, it is something like 4. Then let's say you have 6. Okay, then your linked list 2. Let's say it has 5 and it has 7. Okay, so we'll basically have the head of like both these linked lists at the starting. So we'll basically check as to like we'll have a while loop that will keep on running up till they are not null. Okay, so while they are running, what we'll check is that we'll check if this element is smaller or if this element is smaller. If this element is smaller, we'll add that to our result linked list. Okay, I'll just call it our answer linked list. So in this case, 4 is smaller than 5, right? So we will, okay, so our pointers initially, they'll be at the starting element, okay? We'll see if 4 is larger or smaller than 5 or not. 4 is smaller than 5. So in our answer linked list, we will add 4, okay? Then this pointer from here will move one step forward, okay? Now we'll check if 5 or 6 is big. 5 is big. So we'll add that to our answer linked list and we will move the linked list to pointer also forward over here. Now we'll check if 6 is more than 7. I mean, if 6 is less than 7, it is. So we'll have like this. Okay. Now from here, the pointer of the first linked list will just go to null. Okay. Because like after 6, we have no elements. Right. So now the pointer of the first linked list went to null. Okay, now it will exit the loop. Okay, because our while loop will run only if both the pointers are not null. In this, one of the pointers is null, so it will exit the loop. Now to add this other element to the answer linked list, what we can do is we can make a separate if statement. We can make an if statement saying if pointer 2 is not equal to null, aka this pointer at 7, okay, like it's not null, then what we can do is we can just add it to answer. So we'll add 7 to answer. Now we got our entire answer array, okay, or answer linked list, but the only issue is that it is an ascending order. Okay, we want a descending order. We want it like 7, 6, 5 and 4. Okay, now hopefully all of you know how to reverse a linked list, but I won't be explaining that because or else the video will become too long. However, I got this small animation from Geeksforgeeks which I can show you. Okay, you guys can learn from this animation. So in the starting, what will happen is that your current index, right, it will be at the head and your previous and your next will be at null, and then they will just alternate forward step by step and reverse it. So you guys can take a look at this entire thing as to how it goes on. Then at the end, what we'll do is that we'll just change head to previous. That's basically it. All right. Yeah. So hopefully all of you understood. So now let's try and code the solution out. So here, I never addressed as to how we get the first node in our answer linked list. So first we'll make a starter node. Okay, we make a starter node like this. It'll have like no element. Like you can call it a head. I'm just calling it a starter, and it is to this starter node that you will connect your elements 4, 5, and so on. Okay, so yeah, that is basic. I mean that is the basic logic behind this. So yeah, now let's try to code the solution out. Okay, so let's start. first we need a starter node, right? So we'll just do a node starter is equal to new node. Okay, now what we'll do is that we will do a node answer, which will be our answer. Linked list is equal to starter. Okay, now what will we do here? Yeah, okay, now we'll have the while loop as I mentioned, while node 1 is not equal to null and node 2 is not equal to null. All right, so if node 1's data is lesser than node 2's data, we just add it to answer, right? So answer of next is equal to node 1, right? Then node 1 equal to node 1 of next, and we'll also move answer forward, right? Answer equal to answer of next. All right, now we'll do the exact same thing if the data of node 2 is bigger. Okay, just copy and paste it over here. Here instead of node 1 it will just be node 2. Okay, and yeah, that's basically it. Now outside the while loop, as I said, we have to check if the ending nodes are still null or not. So what we'll do is, if node 1 is not equal to null, we'll just add that, right? Answer next is equal to node 1. All right, then yeah, I guess that's it. Now else condition, I mean basically if node 2 is not equal to null, null, then what we can do is that answer next equals to node 2. All right, now we have to, so, okay, so like by now our entire answer is made. The only issue is that it's an ascending order, right? So now we have to basically reverse the linked list. So we'll do the same thing as what I showed you guys some time back in that GIF. So I'll just do node star cur is, it'll be starters next. Okay, the reason I'm saying it'll be starters next is starter is this node right here, right? But we want this head node, so this is starters next. So yeah, then we'll have node of previous, which will be equal to null, and while cur is not equal to null, node of forward will be equal to cur of next. All right, then cur of next will be equal to previous, previous will be equal to current, and current will be equal to forward, right? That's basically it. Now after this we can just return previous, as that will be our head now. All right, okay, we made a small mistake. We need a semicolon here, and here it's supposed to be not equal to. All right, let's run it. There you go, it works. Let's submit. So there you go, that's how you solve this problem. If you have any doubts, do leave them in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.